prosecution, you may begin your opening statement.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen of the jury. My name is Hannah Horner, and I will be representing the prosecution of Henry Brunetti today. So let me just tell you exactly what happened, or what we believe happened in our case. November 4th started off as a regular day, but later that night, a murder was committed by Nick Long. But there was more of a story behind it. Earlier that day, Jack Tomsky, or earlier that year I should say, Jack Tomsky had stolen Henry Brunetti, Nick's cousin. He had stolen his girlfriend and had ran over his dog. So he got mad and convinced Nick to murder Jack Tomsky later that day. Now, so after Henry falls asleep on the couch from drinking too much, after Henry loaded the gun, and then Nick came back to the apartment, got the gun, and shot Jack Tomsky. So Nick didn't get away. Nick was shot later by two cops when he was spotted running away. Nick and Jack would be the only ones to watch this. They both had families, and it's up to you to decide, or to give justice to those families. Who'll never be able to see their son get married, or have children, or any of those other things that you could enjoy as a parent. You also need to consider the fact that there's a law that states that anybody who is associated with a crime is just as guilty as the person who committed the crime. And how this applies to Henry, the defendant, is that first off, not only were his fingerprints were on the bullet, it was his gun, it was his, it was probably his idea by supporting evidence, and he could possibly manipulated his younger cousin, Nick, to do the crime, just like he had before in smaller crimes.
you have a second